Hola clase, buenos días. Hoy es viernes 20 de marzo del 2020 y hoy es el día de Flex Time. ¿Dónde está? So today I want you to take a look at what you've done this week and catch up on anything that you didn't finish. The first thing you need to make sure that is done is quiz 16. That was on food adjectives and adjective noun agreement. If you had a second opportunity to take that and you didn't, and you want to improve your score, I will take your best score. Secondly, I want to make sure that you've done the practice quiz for Tenet expressions. For that, you have four opportunities to try to get your best score. This one is not graded, but it's just a good way for you to make sure that you know what you need to know. And then I want you to also make sure that you have logged into Google Classroom. I sent an email out on Tuesday with the code for each class. So if for some reason you're missing the code to the class, didn't get the email, please email me on It's Learning, or also you could email me on Forsyth County Mail, and I'll get back with you and make sure that you get that login. Next, for today, you have a choice. You can watch one of 3 videos, or you can watch all of them. The first one is about the different ways that the different words that people use for food in Spanish-speaking countries. The second one is a recipe for, it's the 10 most popular foods in Mexico. And then the third one is how to make churros, which is a very popular food in Mexico. So you can watch all 3, and maybe you might want to try to make churros if you have some extra time to do some extra things around the house. I hope you had a really great week this week. I missed you all, and I hope you have a really fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Nos vemos el lunes. And now I have to figure out how to stop this. There it is. There's my stop button. Okay. Adios.